So I wrote this book, White Collar Crimes, where my motivation was to make this difference that the main problem, the root cause of the white collar crimes is that people are not educated enough. And with this book, I aim to deliver this one message that become an educated person and not just a literate person, because it is the education we need of people. And with this vision, KP Singh sir helped me a lot in giving shape and a guide as to how to actually come about this book and how to go through this book and what kind of content or what kind of crimes we want to deal with. And particularly in this book, I've contributed in the cyber crime area as to what the new age crime which is upcoming in the years, and it will become more and more apparent in coming years. So I delved more into the cyber security part and the cyber crime part, and my co-author Kritika, she delved into the other aspects, the more of the traditional aspects of the white collar crimes, which is the corruption or any other white collar crimes which we usually see and we encounter like every day. So I'll just pass on Kritika to delve more into the aspects.
Thank you, Mansha, for telling about the cybercrime aspects very vividly. And first of all, thanks a ton to Dr. KP Singh, who guided us at each and every step and encouraged us to write this book. And a lot of other students from Army Institute of Law have also volunteered and contributed in various chapters in the book. And coming to the topic in itself, white collar crimes is actually not just a breach of law, but it's also a breach of trust. So when it comes to dealing with the crimes being committed by the people in the managerial or intellectual positions, then it comes, then we have to take a little different approach how to deal with the criminals. So we've done our best job into as much as we could have done. And it's really been a pleasure and a roller coaster ride to see from the research part, then authoring every chapter with the help of the other volunteers, and then giving, and KP sir, when he helped us to give the final shape to the book. That's been really, really a pleasure for all of us. So thank you so much to everyone who contributed to this book and made it a success. Thank you.
Yeah, so we had three chief guests, three esteemed judges, Justice Harkesh Manuja sir, Justice Deepak Gupta sir, and Justice Pankaj Jain sir, who made this event even more special, and it motivated us that our first book was launched by the presence of such esteemed judges of our High Court, and by this, I guess, we'll be more motivated to come up with new books and with new knowledge or with new research area into the same crime, or we can also come up with new term which we even talked about in this program itself about the rainbow crime. So we might in future come up with this rainbow crime term and delve deeper into this crime field and make and contribute our aspect to actually solve one aspect of the crime which we are facing in the society.
In addition to that, also thankful to Honorable Justice Vinod Bhardwaj and the gurus that we had, Professor Vijendra Kumar and Professor Veer Singh. They've also, and Sonia Madan ma'am and other esteemed guests who gave the review for us and also promoted us to make further additions in line with the developing technology today. For example, artificial intelligence, international framework, and so on and so forth. So it was indeed an enlightening session for ourselves as well. So thanks a ton, everyone.
At last, I just want to conclude that education is not just about being able to read and write. It is deeper, something very deep, and just go beyond of just being able to read and write and go deeper into finding the truth about the society and then fight for that truth. Because if we all will become educated, I guess this crime would no longer be discussed, and we will live in a society where we can all actually trust each other, and we won't have this fear of this breach of trust which we are facing increasingly day by day. Thank you.
I congratulate both the writers, Kritika and Mansa, for the excellent work they have done. They have produced a wonderful book on white collar crimes. They have dealt with these crimes in very elaborate manner, including the cyber crime, cyberbullying, money laundering, corruption, etc. They have done extensive study and they have quoted from various judgment of the Supreme Court as well as from the writings of various legal luminaries. It's an excellent work and is a very good read for even the common man because the language of the book is very simple and very comprehensible. So I congratulate both these writers and wish them all the best.